All right, we got 3 minutes. Let's go. Let's get ready. So a few minutes into the open here, we do have FOMC this week. We still have China trade talks on the table. Futures have sold down since about 10 o'clock last night. We've been going down, 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 down. We're at support now. Extended to the downside. So that's why I'm expecting that quick pop and then maybe further downside. Of course, we've had a long weekend and traders are itching to make some trades, so we could definitely see some chop. So as always, let's just stay patient, sit on our hands for the first 10-15 minutes, let the market tell us what to do. I'm going to be watching Papa John's. I think I'm going to look at some Walmart, and then of course, as always, Netflix and Square. 90 seconds. One minute. We're missing a few people. I guess they're oversleeping. Maybe they partied too hard last night. There's J Tess. I'm still looking at Papa John's for a swing trade. I don't really like how much it's got down pre-market. But I'm still watching. Here we go. Indexes are pushing up. They bought a lot of contracts at the open on the Nasdaq, pushing up to resistance here. 47.25, 74.20. Oh no, 47.25. Walmart's ripping. Nasdaq tap resistance, pulling back a little. We still have 3 minutes on this opening range. Netflix moved $2. Papa John's is not moving. Square's not moving. Netflix is pushing hard. Patience. I like to throw a short on Netflix here, but it's too early. The market could keep ripping. Market is pushing through resistance, cracked 50 on the NASDAQ. Coming up to VWAP. Pretty much what we expected. Netflix moving higher. Dow's at VWAP. NASDAQ is 4 points from VWAP. Dow pushing through VWAP. Tap to 200. Benjamin, good morning. Yeah,
Good morning,
shorted with patience though. It hadn't. I don't think it's done yet. Moving higher through VWAP, Nasdaq. Dow's above the 200. Nasdaq's tapping the 200. S&P's at VWAP. Square's starting to move. Pretty boring trade on Square. Netflix high a day. And this is why I remain patient.
Going short here.
I'm gonna go ahead and enter some Papa John. What do you mean it's too close? Oh, this thing's got a 17-cent spread? Good lord. That's nasty. No wonder nobody's trading it. Well, it's a swing trade idea. We're at support. Papa John's. I'm going to go ahead and just take the risk. 50 shares, swing trade on Papa John's. Nasdaq
Going long.
Nasdaq pushing through the 200. Benjamin's long now. Let's go. Still ripping. Netflix is at resistance 360. Nasdaq's at the open close from last night. I'm green on my Papa John's. Swing trade. I plan on holding that all week. We'll see how it works out.
Gonna rip here. Load the boat.
You think we're going to continue?
Got a tight stop if we don't. But yeah, it's looking like it on the order flow. We got 200 contracts at 65 holding us back right now.
A lot of green on Thomas Sales NASDAQ, but that's since the open. Nothing large has gone through in the last couple minutes, maybe 50 contracts. 40 sell, 50 buy. Square is at resistance. Netflix is at resistance. Everything's at resistance right now.
You guys there?
Dow high day. Yeah, we here. They focused.
I have my stops placed, but my thing just froze. Are we good?
You're okay.
Dow's going up.
Where's your stop?
It's $3 back. It's like at 59 and change.
Gotcha. Netflix, I think, just made a high day. 45 seconds on this candle.
What's going on? I'll be right back.
Candle closing out strong on Netflix. The indexes pulling back. SPY high a day. ES moving through the 200. Netflix high a day. Square high a day. Nasdaq's trying to move higher. Netflix
It's ripping,
is
but
ripping.
I can't do anything. I'm gonna have to call the broker.
You're okay. You got to stop on the book, right?
Yeah, I do.
You're okay. Let it ride. Be willing to make nothing to make everything, brother. Let's go. But call your broker for sure. Set your router.
I'll be right back. Excuse me.
Yeah, have your broker on the phone, man. I'll let you know if things start to look ugly. We might be topping out here. 15 minutes. That was what we expected for the move up, and then potential sell-off. Netflix pulling back. Nasdaq pulling back. Dow still holding above opening range. S&P well above. Papa John's not looking real good right now. No, it's doing no volume whatsoever, which is fine. Swing trade, but it's about halfway to my max loss. Higher day Nasdaq, higher day S&P. Two minutes on this candle. Short Netflix, 50 shares. Ready to get out if this doesn't work right away.
I'm back in. That was
45 seconds on this candle. Seconds. If the Nasdaq closes strong, I'm going to exit this short, but right now it looks okay. Wait, spoke too soon. 25 seconds. Green on my Netflix. Come on down, Nasdaq. Okay, yeah, it's closing out weak. 15 seconds.
Morning.
Good morning.
good morning.
Nice. My Netflix has brought me out of the red from my Papa John's trade, and let's go.
Oh, I forgot I gotta do that. I gotta trade some stocks today at some point.
Doing that 5-day challenge.
Yeah.
Let's get it.
Yes, sir.
I'm short Netflix right now. I'm getting paid a little bit, only 50 shares. If this thing was going to keep ripping, I didn't want to get tore up, so I went small. Come on down. It's at a level of support. I'm only up a few bucks. I really don't want to take it off yet. Probably should. But let's be patient and see, can we get some big money out of 50 shares. Let's go. There you go. There you go. Come on down. Up 80 bucks on my Netflix short. Down 20 on my Papa John's. $100 Netflix. Let's go. Pay me. All right, Nasdaq is nearing the opening range. Could bounce there, so I'm considering. Yeah, I'm out. I'm out of Netflix. 85 bucks. Nice trade, small share. That's a nice profit on 50 shares.
There's the bounce.
Nasdaq is bouncing, so that was a good exit. Not going to get long though. I'll look for another short if the Nasdaq can't make a new high. Dow broke opening range, testing VWAP, looking heavy. S&P looks decent, testing the highs. Nasdaq same. Are you still in? You're long?
Yeah, I am. 59.50 is my average.
Did you get your broker fixed?
Yeah. It was my internet. It wasn't my broker. I'm on a hotspot right now.
It's not too hot.
Ooh. Yeah.
Are we going to continue higher? We're going to consolidate here? What's
I
going
took one
on?
off here just in case.
How many did you have? 3?
5.
5.
4 now. I have 3 now.
Alright, I'm fully set on Ninja Trader now. With a due account. And now I'm checking out.
Walmart's trying to break opening range, squeezing to the upside.
You're not doing Trade of 8 this time, you're doing Ninja?
Yeah, screw that platform, dude.
Yeah, I hear you.
Moon Lambo.
The
There you
Dow's
go.
lagging by like 5 minutes. Or she's just doing whatever the hell she wants.
Hey, Trader, do you know how to fix the... I'm not getting any data on my Tef's Trader account.
Hmm.
Do you know why that would be?
What exactly is going on?
Blank everything. I'll send you a screenshot.
Yeah, send me a screenshot. So the S&P made a new high. Nothing else did yet. Walmart broke the opening range. Let's look at Walmart up here. Walmart's going for a new high a day. Nasdaq's pulling. Looks like the markets are setting up to move higher. I could be wrong.
Yep. Yep.
They look like they want to go higher. I mean, we didn't
I dropped
pull back, so that's an indication that we might move higher. We had 15 minutes of momentum and then no sell-off, so take it with a grain of salt. But we could be moving higher. Netflix looks like it bottomed out. Walmart's up about 40 cents since I
There we
started
go.
talking about it. Oh, my Papa John's is coming back into the green. There you go. Nasdaq high. S&P about to make a new high.
There we go.
New high on Dow.
Survived the sell-off right there.
Coming.
That's the third low right there.
Okay.
Yep. I'm not playing any more lower than that. That's the squeeze right there.
Did you log in on the right server, Matt? I'm sure you did.
I guess
Or
on-
if you didn't, you probably wouldn't have been able to even log in.
That's what I'm thinking too.
Let's ask.
World, hold on.
I was about to grab some Netflix long there. That's okay. That's okay. Walmart moving up. Squeezing to the upside. Kind of want to take a position on Walmart, but it's moving kind of slow. I mean,
Dow's painting a W on the 15.
Bullhammer though.
Huh?
Seeing a huge bullhammer forming on this price action handle.
Yeah.
You gotta break 70 though.
Yep.
Here it comes.
NASDAQ high a day. S&P showing a little bit of topping action. One minute on this candle. Matt, yeah. I know. Lisa is trading at.
Oh, that was for the other guy. My bad. Let me fix the name.
Oh, no, you did it right.
It's gonna get confusing.
You did it right.
Oh.
You did trash trader. Yeah, when he came in here this morning, I was like, wait a minute, trader trash. Wait a minute. I'm already in here. Yeah, so we're seeing some topping action here. These candles are closing out doji on the markets. Doesn't mean it won't continue, but let's pay attention. So the NASDAQ is above the close from Sunday and the open from last night, pushing back towards the highs.
Dude, look at that wick. Yes. Woo! Cut the knife. I got 3.
S&P holding the 200 and Dow the same. Walmart pushing back for the highs.
But the book's there. Ooh, that's not fair. The way it's slipping, it's not cool.
Yeah, I'm seeing some topping action. I mean, look at the wicks on the indexes. Still early on this candle. It just opened, so you know how they like to run it down and rip it. I might short Netflix again, but patience. I want to wait and see how this candle closes.
Yeah, one of my servers isn't connected somehow. Or
Did you try to log out and log back in?
yeah, I'm going to.
Dow's starting to show some momentum. getting slapped down.
Yeah, Nasdaq 7070. It had a hard time there Sunday night.
That worked.
Are you in?
It appears so.
Nice.
It's pulling data for the SPY at least.
Walmart
Yeah,
gave it up.
It's live.
Two minutes on this candle.
At the top of the candle, I'm here thinking about Lambos. Bottom, I'm here thinking about peanut butter.
Depends which side you're on. If you bought the top, then yeah, it's peanut butter. S&P new high. Dow going for highs.
Nasdaq being dramatic,
Yeah,
trying to stop people out before it does.
still looks like it's topping. 1 minute. S&P new high. Push in. Nasdaq trying.
Yeah, I gotta worry about that trading that thing later. My data's live now, but now my keyboard isn't connected somehow.
You've been cursed.
For real. You will not get funded on anything.
There we go. When is Netflix?
Netflix had resistance at 360, so we're above it.
Amazon just broke resistance.
So
Amazon's got free room for like $15, $20. Could be a bull day. Whew, look at those wicks. I only got one contract.
Nasdaq looks like it's topping out, but it's holding the close from Sunday. This could be one of those slow grind up days.
Yep. It's been doing it. It's been going up while taking everybody's lunch money with the way it's swinging down.
I mean, I'm really surprised we haven't had a decent pullback yet. So we got some strength. But it does look like we're topping out. The Dow almost made it to the open from last night, which would be a resistance level, and threw in a big wick and pulled all the way back to opening range. Another doji on the SPY. We still have 3 minutes on this candle for it to make a move. Netflix going for the high. Netflix new high a day. Nasdaq.
Benny added the reverse candle to the hot piece of it.
Oh yeah. That's a big one. 10.
S&P high a day.
What's that?
That's a big one, bro. To have that
Yeah.
button.
Well, I didn't trust myself with it, but I'm starting to trust myself with it a little more. I
Not
think
as
it's-
bad as it
sometimes
sounds.
It's impulsive, you know.
Yeah, for sure. You have to
I'm
do
sure
it
I'm wrong.
objectively.
Get on the right side before you analyze why you're making that decision. You know what I mean?
Been there, bro. Been there.
But I do see my strategy how it could be a useful tool to add a bit. I'm short from 59 here. Let's go new high. I'm sorry, long. From 59.
I was about to say, I was like contradicting yourself there.
I'm like, damn, dude, you got big balls.
Yeah, let's
Down
rip it.
50%.
S&P still at the high. Nasdaq
The long
struggling.
entry on my bands is 59, so that's the best entry you could have.
Netflix high a day.
These fucking make it look like it was gonna wick out and sell off.
Nasdaq high.
Yeah, I only got 3 right now. My average. I'm at 63.75.
I'll add one more to the Dow if we break daily open.
Be willing to make nothing in order to make everything. Let's get paid. When did you get in it, Leo?
859.
Oh, nice.
Now.
You're up almost 20 points.
Yeah.
Very nice. $30 seconds on this candle. Closing out very weak on the Nasdaq, the Dow, and the SPY. It's 10:05. Where are we going? The S&P and the Nasdaq have been moving up. The Dow's been going sideways since 9:35.
Pushing into the close.
Accumulation.
All right, that
Accumulate.
Nasdaq candle closed out on the strong side. Same with the S&P.
Worries me a little bit just because it looks like the wipe off.
S&P going for high a day. Rejected. Double top. ES. Still early. 4.5 minutes on this candle.
Seeing a bull hammer form on the SPY. Same's trying to form on the Dow now. Dow sitting support that was made from last session.
I think we're due for at least a 10-minute pullback.
I think we've been doing the pullbacks, bro.
Well, we've been slow grind up, but we're due for a good 10-minute pullback, I believe. I'm not calling for no reversal, but a decent pullback. I mean, we're up. I mean, geez, we're up 40 points on the Nasdaq. The open was the low, so that's a sign of some strength right off the bat. Netflix high a day. Papa John's, go ahead and make a move. Give me some profit.
We're battling the pivot point on the Nasdaq, but it's looking bull.
S&P high and day.
Bears are winning on the Dow, but the bulls are winning everywhere else. It's a fight on the Nasdaq. It's looking clearer on the SPY though. Got 80 some odd contracts holding us back. When we break 73, we're Lamboing.
We don't have any volume though up here. Volume's been dying off since the open, and we've been going up the whole time. Probably waiting for the Dow to hit the open price from last night before we roll over. That is about 10 points away, I believe.
Yeah, 10 exactly. 11, 10 points. Going in and out of that.
3 contracts at 80 right now. I was just saying the Dow. The Dow has 45 contracts at 80.
So it's doing the same thing, giving me.
S&P and Nasdaq both double topped. If this candle closes weak, I think we'll get that 10-minute pullback. Still got about 90 seconds on this candle. Mm-hmm. One minute.
I'm flat for now, waiting.
Did you get paid?
No, bro. I'm up $87.
Ah, me too. Me too. 30 seconds.
Just the order books aren't showing me anything right now. It's just chopping. I'd rather buy the bottom of this range if that's what we're gonna do.
Yeah, just be patient. Let's see if we get 5 or 10 minutes of selling back to the 200. Potential re-entry long. We're definitely on the
It wants
strong
to come
side
back
today.
up now.
I'm also flat.
Triple top on the S&P. Testing the
Still
high.
trying to push.
Yeah, I feel like everything's just waiting on the Dow to tap that open. I could be wrong.
My target is.
Dow trying to push that high. S&P trying for a new high. SPY's lagging. Excuse me. S&P high today. Dow tap the high. S&P moving higher. Nasdaq not moving. Dow high today. NFLX not moving.
There we go. It's moving now.
There we go.
Hasn't made a new high yet. But
All
it's
right.
moving.
So Dow just hit the open. The S&P is very close to the open from last night. So that might be what we're waiting for. These two to tap it, and then maybe we'll get that sell-off. S&P and the Dow are red on the day. Dow pushing through a little bit.
Yeah, it's at resistance.
Did you
7250 is the wall on the Nasdaq right now. They pulled it off.
Nasdaq going for the high, new high. S&P at the open, Dow slightly above. Did you take some off, Leo? How many did
I
you?
just have one.
Did you sell it or are you still holding?
I'm still holding.
Let's get paid.
Yeah, at this point you gotta hold.
Yeah. Like if it would have
Yes.
slapped right back down.
S&P pushing through the open, testing the close. Nasdaq high of day.
Pretty much topped myself out, but I got back in. My average is 69.50. Moving my stops up.
My swing trade on Papa John's is just going sideways. Nobody's trading it. That should pick up though with earnings coming next week. I plan on holding it all week unless it stops me out today.
The owner of Papa John's lives in my wife's old neighborhood, and her dad just sued the crap out of them because he's a PI lawyer, and their driver just hit some autistic kid and messed him up and sued him for $20 million.
Yikes.
Yep.
New candle formed. A lot of organic orders on the book that have to be removed. We got a second low on the candle in the range. We're looking for one more low and then we should pull back. Rip.
S&P pushing to the close from yesterday.
77 is resistant.
S&P trying to go green.
Down seeing some resistance.
Putting another stop here. So 74 and 73.
I might have to treat this trade like labor. One more good push and I'm out.
Dude, how long have you been waiting to use that?
I don't know. No, that literally just popped in my head. Seriously.
Good one, bro.
That's funny.
New candle.
Opening bullish.
Yeah, looking bull still. Bulls are winning on the SPY and on the Dow. And the bulls are well ahead on this NASDAQ, but it's not looking like it. Come on. Stop playing with the spread.
I see 40 contracts on the timing sales. NASDAQ at the close of that candle. No red.
I mean, at this point, I probably got the best entry for trending day. So
Hold that thing, man. We're strong today.
Yep.
We are strong today.
Yeah, bro, you could go to 7,100, man.
I think
I'll do that shit. I'll get out right here and then watch it pull back and rip another.
I think 71.50. Bull flag on Netflix. I kind of want to hop in there, but gee whiz, I feel like it's a
Just get
little
one contract off.
extended.
Take 2 contracts off. You got 2 left.
Continued
You can just stop
fading
on a new low again.
on the volume.
Yeah, volume is crap.
Going up on low volume. Dow trying for a high. New high Dow.
I mean, if you zoom out the 15, the volume looks decent.
Alright, everybody's green on the day. Dow, NASDAQ, and the S&P are all green. S&P struggling to actually get green. Sitting flat. Dow made a new high. NASDAQ new high.
Getting wrecked right now.
But we're not going
Yeah,
anywhere.
bullish trend line that's acting as resistance right now.
The Dow made a new high, but it didn't go. It just didn't go. Double
Same
top
with NASDAQ.
S&P, Doji, NASDAQ.
Took me out. I got one left at break even. The average is 70 now.
Hey Ben, how do you get rid of the fills on the Ninja Trader chart?
What do you mean?
My chart is showing my like orders, but I'd rather not see them because it's like.
Right click, go to properties.
Okay.
And there should be something there that says it. If not, it's under data series.
Okay.
The SPY has had 9 green candles in a row.
Under data series on the bottom, I think it's where it is. I just checked properties and it's not there.
Alright, cool. Thanks, man.
No problem. If you use tick replay, it's going to reload your whole entire chart when you do that. Just an FYI.
Yeah, man, I can't get over how fucked up that is. You know, and Facebook page, and I didn't see anything. Hey, funded traders, don't forget. Now,
I know.
I don't think I belong to the funded trader group. But...
Yeah, it's like a weird separate chat room that's not even on Facebook. It's I'm salty, but it's all good. Whatever.
Yeah, I encouraged them about a month ago. I was like, you guys should make a Discord.
Yeah, or just like even on their website, just like if you're gonna have the calendar with dates on it, maybe clearly mark that it's not for like it's only the combine or it's only funded, you know?
Yeah.
The fact that they're like
there's an asterisk right above the calendar. Go read it.
Yeah. I'm just like I know this. He's like I know this is confusing. Okay, well.
Why don't you make it less confusing?
Yeah.
That's their edge, though, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, everything is workaround and this and that and the other. Be alright, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah, brush it off, ain't no thing.
I just can't. My goal is to have by the end of this year to have an account that I can swing futures with.
End of the day, I'm already back to trading, so it doesn't really matter. Just annoying.
Overcome, adapt, and persevere. I'm gonna short 50 Netflix here.
Yeah, there's a box called Plot Executions under Data Series bin. Thanks for that.
Yeah, that looked like a nightmare if you start trading a lot.
Yeah, because I just did like 3 scalps and I couldn't even see the candles.
Yep. I believe you, bro. So the Nasdaq's fighting the pivot point right now. Hopefully it doesn't make another candle closing below that.
I shorted Netflix because I believe we're going to get a pullback. I might be wrong.
It'd be a lower high and it'd be a continuation of the downward trend we've been on for the past 2 days.
But I am up $10. Let's go. There you go. Come on down.
At this point, all I have are commissions on the table.
I mean, I see that Netflix had that bottom wick on the last candle, so I'm a little concerned about that. But there you go. Crack it. Now I just got to stay patient. Still got 3 minutes on this candle. I'm looking for the Nasdaq to stretch out a little bit. I don't like how. There you go. There you go.
Got taken out.
There you go.
So I'm done.
Come to Papa.
Hold on, Pen. This might be the rip that I couldn't afford to hold.
So 70.70 Nasdaq could be some support. I should probably exit this trade here. I kind of want to just stay patient though. At least let this candle close out and see what the next one does. There you go. I'm up 40. Nasdaq looks like it's bottoming. I'm out. Wait a minute. I didn't get out. Oh, I hit the wrong button. I'm out.
Alrighty, ladies, gents, stay smart, stay sharp.
See you, dude.
I'm
Yeah,
out.
man.
$113 on Netflix today in 45 minutes. And then,
Boo-hoo. I made $82. Boo-hoo.
and the Nasdaq does look like it's bottoming out. I'm not going to get long though. And I am done for the day. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.